How to link or unlink bank account to the green dot card. To link or unlink a bank account to your green dot card, you need to follow some steps. Open the green dot mobile app. Log in with your username and password. Look for an option such as Account Settings, Manage Accounts. Add a bank account. Verify the linked account. Then to unlink the bank account, go to the account settings and look for an option to remove or unlink a bank account. Follow the instructions given by them. After successfully unlinking the bank account, you should receive a confirmation. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.